Well, as you can maybe see behind me, it's a really busy day today in the European Parliament. Although again this week all the focus has been on Westminster and the debate on whether or not there will be a vote there on the final agreement for the UK to leave the EU, if the UK does in fact leave, if there is a final deal, of course. And we've been trying to follow the debate from here in Brussels as well. And I'm pleased to introduce with me Elliot. Elliot, tell us who you are, where you're from and what you're doing.
So I'm originally from Llandrindod, Wales, in Mid Wales, and I am currently a student in my first year at Cardiff studying law.
And you've come to Brussels for the week to have the experience of working in the Parliament. Why did you want to come?
So I have an interest in law and politics. That's one of the reasons why I studied at Cardiff and studying law. And I'm interested sort of how the UK and Wales, more importantly, interacts with other countries. So I thought it would be a good idea to come to the Parliament here and experience life with an MEP and how busy it is.
And what's your impression?
Well, it has been very busy. There's lots of things going on, but I've understood how important the work here is and how important the work of an MEP is here.
Well, it's been a pleasure to be working with you this week. Thank you for coming.
Diolch.